Good Wednesday morning, everyone. We are on our fourth Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yes, this is our fourth day of our little motorcycle trip, and we're just about to go down and get a little breakfast. I'm uploading yesterday's footage. I had a lot of footage, so when this is all done, a lot of the riding footage is going to go on to my Moto Norseman page. Once those are uploaded, I'll let you guys know, so if you want to go check it out, you can. Also, I have the link to my son's page. When he's in the Air Force, he'll have several videos posting throughout his time there. Not of basic training, obviously, but he's got videos lined up to automatically publish. So you'll have to check that out as well. I've got the link in the bottom of this this vlog. Today we're going to kind of stay around this area a little bit. We're going to start heading east, but not too far out of here, because we still have tomorrow and Friday. So we need to kind of slow down a little bit. Not really slow down, but our destinations are going to be closer than they've been. Also, today is celebrating 21 years that I have been married to the beautiful Kim. So happy anniversary, honey. I wish you were here with us. But next weekend we'll be in San Diego, so there'll be some more California footage. My dad just wished me a happy anniversary. It's like he is listening to me talk to you guys. Anyway, breakfast is calling our name, and we'll get on the road here in an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Not in a big hurry. So we'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Getting ready to take off. There's a few places around this area that we're going to make stops at. So, like I said earlier, we're not traveling too far from here today, but we're going to try to get up over the mountains and start heading eastward. So that's it. It's a nice day. It's a little on the muggy side right now, but I think once we get moving, it's going to be pretty decent. We've gone 681 miles so far on this trip. That's not bad for a couple days, 3 days. There's some motorcycles. I hear some motorcycles. All right, we have come up here to Metric Method. Thank you. How you doing?
Someday. That's
Someday.
the R version. That's like a $60,000 bike.
Yeah, that's nice. All right, the next stop is Cook's Corner. I've got no idea where we're staying tonight. Unlike the other nights, I know where we were going to be, but tonight I don't have any idea. Here's Cook's Corner right here. We're gonna run in and get something to eat. They just opened not too long ago, about 15 minutes ago. So there's one bike here in the parking lot, but I mean, this is kind of like, I think Arizona's the Hideaway Bar and Grill. So we're gonna go in and check it out. Where are we headed?
I'm not really sure. Some twisty roads or something.
He knows where we're going because it's his decision.
Where are we going?
Trabuco General Store.
Oh yeah. Like, that's kind of a broad question. Where are we going?
Well, that's where we're going.
Well, technically we're going back home.
So we're not ready to eat. So we just wanted to stop here and see it. We're on to the Trabuco General Store. It's starting to come down a little better. Impaired vertical clearance. That's weird. All right, we're just taking a little break here at Trabuco General Store. Probably get a soda, which I don't drink sodas, but I'm gonna get a soda here. So it's kind of a neat little area. Hi.
Thank you.
Ooh, dang. Red cream soda. I might get that.
Where is it?
Look at the ginger. Look at the unfiltered ginger ale. Look, come on, sticker. Oh, I don't even want to look to see how much sugar's in here. 32 grams. And there's 1.5 servings.
What'd you get? You got red cream?
Yep, 48 grams of sugar if I drink this whole thing.
I got salted caramel root beer.
That's pretty
There's
dang
some sugar
delicious.
in there.
All right, we are hitting the road going towards Lake Elsinore, which is up over the mountains, that direction. Yeah. So, We are on Ortega Highway and we stopped at the Lookout Roadhouse. We're gonna grab a bite to eat. But there's Lake Elsinore down below. The water looks a little low. Didn't even film the food.
Oh well.
It was good though, huh? Yeah, so we're at Mountain Center, which is pretty much the pinnacle of the mountain that we're at, and it's about 50 degrees, so it was getting a little chilly. We gotta head up that road there, and it's gonna be pretty much downhill from just up there a little bit further, so not too bad at all. We're just taking a little break. That road was really twisty and fun. I'm sure you can see it. Look at the road. That's pretty cool that you can actually see all the twists and turns and everything. We are in Desert Springs, which is pretty far east of LA, and it's definitely the desert. It's hot, the sun is out, but we're here at, there's a Holiday Inn Express, and right next door is a Best Western. So we're going to stop in at the Holiday Inn first to see if they have anything and what the price is, and if we have to, we'll go next door and see if they have anything. I mean, the parking lot is empty, so something tells me they have a room available here. I'm assuming this is the front. It wasn't like a traditional drive up to the front door type of deal. You're gonna be the youngest one here. Well, they have a room here at the Holiday Inn, so we grabbed our stuff and we're gonna go check out the room right now. I think we're gonna maybe contemplate getting something to eat someplace. I don't know, we'll let you know.